Okay, welcome back to part 4 of the annual Turner's Falls Christmas in July fireworks display. Yay! They always do this on the last Saturday in July, unless the weather is like really garbage, or maybe the world ends. It's something. I shouldn't joke like that. We may be coming up to the finale the way this is going. I don't know. Maybe not. Sorry, my camera is having some issues, but all right, they're cleared it somehow. The guy on the background side of the street. Oh, hey, I've done that before, so it's okay. Nice. Oh, here we go. Fake, maybe. Yeah. All right, happy Christmas in July or whatever, everybody. Whoa, 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 whoa. Here we go. Yeah.